Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can warp text in Photoshop. So for that you have to select your text tool from the tools panel and you have to start typing. So I'm gonna type our channel name and select the whole text, and here you will find in this location create warp text option. You have to click on that and you have to select your text style. There are many, you can experiment which one you like. You can also customize it as you wish. So I'm gonna select a default one, but first let me make it reset it by clicking on none. So after you have selected your style, you can make it horizontal or vertical as well. So after you have selected your style, you have to click on OK, and here you have to click on this right icon. Your text will be created. So that's how you can warp text in Photoshop. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.